Babawasan natin yung college education from 4 years to 3 years. Pagpasok ng bata sa kolehiyo, diretso na siya dun sa major. Yung mga general education subjects, ibababa sa senior high school. Out of the 214 countries in the world, K-12 na, except for Singapore. Just to be consistent with the global standard, final namin itong 3-year college education. Meron kaming isang final na bill, tawag namin Ginhawa Act. Pag kumikita ka ng 400,000 a year, exempted ka from income tax. Kung ang bonus mo ay 150,000, exempted ka rin sa income tax. Tatanggalin ninyo yung income tax on service charge. Yung night differential, overtime pay, holiday pay, for minimum wage earners, exempted. Pero in-expand namin to. So lahat ng mga kababayan natin na nag-overtime, may hazard pay, may differential pay, gagawin rin income tax free. No? Ito yung nasa loob ng Ginhawa Bill. Ang gusto namin mabigyan ng ginhawa, no, yung mga kababayan natin na nasa income earning segment.